If you have a Roku device and want to get Spotify on it, this video is for you. Spotify is a massively popular music streaming service that also offers podcasts and audiobooks. You can create playlists, discover new music through personalized recommendations, access content across various devices, including your smartphone, tablet, and even your streaming device. It offers both free and premium subscription options, with the premium tier providing additional features like ad free listening, offline playback, and higher audio quality. Let's assume you have a premium subscription and want to enjoy all the features the streaming service offers. Let's learn how to get the Spotify app on your Roku device. On your Roku remote, press the home button, then select streaming channels from the Roku home screen. From there, select search channels, then go to add channels. So here you need to type the Spotify app. So once you have typed the Spotify app, you will see the app on the screen. Now select the add channel option. It will ask you to enter the PIN. If you have the password or PIN, you can enter it. Then once you select it, the Spotify app is found at the bottom of your channel list. Once the app is added to your device, you need to log into your Spotify account. If you don't have any account, you can create one. And there you go. You can start listening to music. You can store Spotify library, search for new music, do anything you'd normally do with the Spotify on your phone or PC. So this is one way you can get Spotify on your Roku. You can enjoy all the amenities, all the music the Spotify app offers on your phone. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe and share. Please support this channel if you want more informative videos like this. Keep watching. Have fun.